Are you looking for a robot vacuum cleaner or a whole home robot vacuum setup for your house to meet your cleaning needs? Well, I may have the right robot vacuum for you. And this video is a sponsored video from the fine folks at ECOVACS, but this is about the ECOVACS Deebot T30S Combo. Yes, hard to say in conversation, but the T30S Combo has a complete setup where you get the base station, you get the robot vacuum cleaner, and you even have in a little sidecar the handheld vacuum cleaner mode where you can go hands-on for any spot cleaning or any additional work that you want to do. And if you don't want the whole thing, you can just get the T30S by itself, which is just a robot vacuum cleaner, or you can go for the whole enchilada and you can get the full combo, the complete combo that has the extension for the handheld vacuum cleaner, so you can do everything. But this video is going to focus on the T30S Combo. And before we get into that though, I do want to say if this is your first time stopping by the channel, thank you for being here. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and a little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. Now let's talk about the T30S Combo from ECOVACS. This isn't my first rodeo with robot vacuum cleaners, but this is the first one I've done that's a complete combo setup where you get the robot vacuum cleaner and you get the handheld vacuum cleaner all in one. And I gotta say, even though this is a sponsored video, I totally love it. My wife loves it and the kids are super happy about it because not only can you use the robot vacuum cleaner, which also mops, so you get the total package there, but sometimes there might be a little crevice, a little place that it missed, some spot stuff. You just want to get out and vacuum real quick. It's hard to abandon a whole vacuum cleaner for a robot vacuum cleaner in some instances when you need a little bit more. So having that battery powered handheld vacuum cleaner on the sidecar with the 3 attachments is fantastic. And I like it a lot. So what do you get here? Let's go like a high level 35,000 feet visibility look at the T30S Combo. So T30S Combo, you get the robot all-in-one station, which of course comes with the robot vacuum, comes with the handheld, it does the robot vacuum, it does the mopping. You get the zero tangle, anti-tangle technology, which we'll talk more about in a little bit, but it keeps hairs and things like that from getting caught up and wrapped around the spindle on the brush. You get true edge adaptive edge mopping technology, which is really good. It allows that mopping pad to kind of kick out to the side as you're doing the mopping, and it gets areas that other robot mops and vacuum cleaners don't get, but it is very, very helpful. It gives a 1mm edge accuracy, 98% improved coverage, so that's really good. And then you get the multi-surface cleaning, which is cool because it transitions as you go back and forth between the carpet and the tiled surface, so you can be doing 2 different jobs at the same time. It'll be going from the living room to the kitchen, and then it just picks up and it drops back down the mopping pad as it goes back and forth between it. So that's really cool as well. And then you also get 11,000 PA of suction power, which is a lot of suction power. I gotta tell you, it's plenty of suction power for your vacuuming needs. And the handheld goes up to 17,000 PA. So you've got yourself covered for the robot vac and for the handheld vacuum cleaner itself. Those are both great. And this is on maximum suction power right now, just so you can get a feel for how loud it is. It's actually pretty quiet for the amount of suction power that it has, and it has plenty of power on demand to clean your carpet really well. And then it does 158-degree hot water mop washing, so it cleans off its own mopping pads. So it does that, it goes back to base, it cleans them off, heats the water up to 158 degrees, helps keep down germs, bacteria, really allows it to get in there and clean those mopping pads really well. And then you also get the dual auto empty. So what's cool is when the robot vacuum goes back to the base, it empties out the robot and the handheld vacuum at the same time. And what's nice too is with the handheld vacuum, when you put it in there, after you get done vacuuming, it instantly cleans that out and sucks it out into the trash bag too, which is nice. And then you also get the combo benefits of all that together. So you got the robot vacuum, you can vacuum your carpet, you can mop your floors, and you can do all the spot stuff. So first thing I want to talk about, let's see it in action. So we got the T30S, we've got it out here on the floor, it's vacuuming, it's mopping, it's doing its thing, and it's very, very easy to set up. Whenever you take it out of the box, super easy to set up. And I want to cover the base station here real quick so you can get a good look at that. Here we have the base station with the T30S Combo. So this is the T30S, and this is the side attachment. So this is the combo where you get both of them. You can buy it individually where you just get the vacuum cleaner itself and not the attachment that you can use for the secondary handheld vacuum. That's also an option. I've got links for both of those in the description if you're interested. But everything's nice, short, sweet. You got the ramp, everything for the robot to go back up inside of the cleaning base. We have inside of here, we have the cleaning bag, which this is where it empties all the stuff that it picks up from the vacuum cleaner, sucks it into there. That's nice. And then up here we have the reservoir for the clean and the dirty water. It auto refills, replenishes, and it cleans whenever it cleans the mop off on the vacuum cleaner. So all you have to do is fill this up with some water and you're good to go. You have easy controls right here. Press the button once, so short press for start pause. You can long press for self clean and then double tap or double click for vacuum cleaner auto empty. And then of course we have the side vacuum cleaner here, which is nice because you can go handheld mode. That's been one of the drawbacks for a long time when it comes to robot vacuum cleaners. You couldn't necessarily use it as an all-in-one for everything. So having the added versatility of the handheld version to go along with it, one, you can knock out both at the same time, but two, you can use this for the heavy lifting, use this for the spot cleaning, and then you've got the different attachments for it as well, which we already looked at. So it's really, really nice setup having the entire combo set for your home cleaning. In addition to the base station, of course, you have everything you could possibly need in the box. You got the robot, you got the vacuum cleaner itself, the T30S, you got the handheld, you got the brush, you got the accessories, you got the power cord, everything that you could possibly need, and the vacuum cleaner bag is already installed. So you have everything you could possibly want and need. All you have to do is plug it in, set it up, which is very easy to do. You take the top lid off of the robot vacuum, and then you scan the QR code, and then it works with the app. You get the app, download it on your phone. It works with iOS, it works with Android, so you're not at a loss regardless of which phone you use. And it's even compatible now with widgets and with the Apple Watch, so you can get Apple Watch control as well. And of course, you still get the always wonderful Deebot vacuum cleaner Eco, which is the automated voice assistant. You can talk to it, you can tell it to start cleaning, you can tell it to stop cleaning, you can give it other commands, and that's pretty cool too. Plus, you get the 3D mapping. So it uses a laser technology whenever it's mapping everything out, and it's great. You get it, you start it up, tell it to map, and then it just goes off on its own like it's a little adventure. It uses the dual laser mapping, maps everything, obstacles, and then that way as it's cleaning or when it's mapping, it goes back around. It is so good. The obstacle detection on here is insanely good. It's the best that I've ever seen, and I was messing around with it as I was making this video, and it's just crazy how good it is. You know, it goes in between the legs of the table, it goes around it, it goes under it, it uses the edge cleaning, and it uses that True Edge technology, which is fantastic. And then it uses the True Detect 3D for obstacle avoidance. I've never seen anything like it. And I know this is not a review, this is a product showcase, but this is the most impressive robot vacuum cleaner. And I've reviewed probably like 10. I've reviewed a lot from different brands, I've covered a lot of these things, and this one, I gotta say, is very, very impressive. So it does this thing, does this mapping, starts vacuuming, starts mopping. You got that 11,000 PF suction power. And then we'll go ahead and do this real quick. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Zero Tangle anti-tangling technology. So when you take a look here at the brush, at the bottom of the vacuum cleaner, you can pop the little hatch off. When you take a look at the brush itself, it's got that V curve to it where it's got a different kind of contour to it, which keeps it from picking up those hairs. But when it does suck them up, it helps straighten them out, and then it puts them in the little compartment, so that way it keeps them off the brush, so it doesn't get tangled up. It's great if you've got long hair, if you've got pets. Well, I don't have long hair, my wife does, but we have 4 dogs, and I gotta tell you, it's really annoying every time I vacuum. I gotta go and pick all these hairs off the vacuum cleaner, and this helps keep that to a minimum. So that's something that's really, really nice, and it's a nice feature that's part of this product. So that's cool too. And then of course on the top side, you have the dustbin where everything goes into here, which is nice as well, because you can take this and you can just dump it out yourself, and then it gets emptied into the base station whenever you take it back in. And then when you leave the vacuuming frontier and go to the mopping, it's nice too, because you got the reservoirs built in. So at the base station, in the top, you lift up the lid, you got the 2 reservoirs, you got one for clean water, one for dirty water. And this is interesting because every time you get ready to mop, so it loads it up with clean water, you go and it does this mopping thing, it comes back, and then it cleans with the over 158-degree water. It heats it up and it cleans the pads, it sucks the dirty water out, puts clean water back in it, so you can go back to mopping. And it'll do this in the middle too. So I was cleaning and mopping, and like I got a pretty big sized kitchen, so it was in there mopping. It detected that it needed to clean the water, so in the middle of vacuuming and mopping, it goes back to the base station, it fills it back up with water, empties out the old stuff, and then goes back to work. And then if you're worried about it because of the battery life, which has really good battery life, by the way, but if it's in the middle of vacuuming or mopping, same thing. If it gets low on battery, it'll take itself back to base. It'll unload everything, clean it out, and start charging so it can go finish the mission and then go back out and finish whether it's mopping or vacuuming, whatever you got to do. And in the meantime, while it's mopping and vacuuming, you can use the handheld vacuum. So that's pretty cool too. And one of the nice thing is, so you've got the controls, you can press the button on the top to start, you can use your app to start, but you've also got the touch sensor with the bumper on it. You can touch it with your foot on the robot vacuum cleaner, hold it for about a second, and it will go ahead and start cleaning that way. So if you're walking around, you got the laundry, the kids are making noise, they're burning stuff down in the kitchen, you can just walk by, tap it with your foot, and move on, and it'll go ahead and start its thing, which is cool. Of course, you can do everything else with the app. You can schedule, you can do the 3D mapping, you can take a look at what it's mapped in 2D or 3D. You can see the obstacles. You can do your stuff where you can do your no-go zones. You can set it up for just mopping. You can set it up for just vacuum, mopping and vacuum. You can control the suction power. You can control whether it does 1 sweep or 2 sweeps. You can control stuff with the voice commands. You can do how aggressive you want the route to work, or even how much water flow that you want going on. So there are so many different things. As you dive into the app and get in there and take a look at it, you're going to discover and learn a lot about it as you're using it, and you'll learn more as it goes to fine tune it for the experience that you want. And then of course it's nice because you can see it on the map. You can see where the robot vacuum's at. You can see how much battery life is left. You can see where it's doing its thing. So that's cool too. The app is really, really, really nice. And it's easy to use. Of course, it's on Android and on iPhone as well. So you're not going to feel left out. It's not like, oh, I've got an iPhone, I can't use this. Or I've got an Android phone, I can't use this. It works with both platforms really, really well. So that's a nice feature of the T30S Combo and family as well. So overall, I've had a great experience with the T30S Combo. I really like the handheld thing, if I can't emphasize that enough. And then of course the robot vacuum cleaner. It's the best one that I've ever used. And I even did like the X2 earlier, well, late last year. I did the X1 before. I've done a couple of these videos with ECOVACS and the Deebots, and this one is the best yet. I really enjoy it. It's really become a good part of my household. Maybe it is for you too. I'm not a salesman here. I'm not trying to sell you one, but if you're interested, there's a link in the description. You can go check those out and see what kind of sales and specials they have. But it's a whole home solution. You can go the regular route. You can just get the T30S, but the T30S Combo, I think, is where the best bang for the buck is, because you get that complete level of versatility. And of course, you can go to the complete combo as well and get the full handheld extension. But I think for most folks, you're probably going to find that the T30S Combo does a pretty good job. And I've been enjoying it. But again, this is a product showcase video. It's not a review. So this is more of a, okay, this is what I can do, a little bit of my experience with it, show off the features, talk about it. So if you're interested in it, hopefully you learn some things about it if you're in the market to buy one. And again, I've got links in the description for that if you're interested in buying one. But I think it's a good vacuum. And I think you'll probably find, if you go watch other videos, you'll probably see a lot of the same. I've enjoyed using it. It's been a very good vacuum, and I really, really do appreciate things like it's great. It has the dual auto cleaning at the same time, the dual charging at the same time, the kick plate to start it, the app support, the 3D mapping technology is basically second to none, and then all the other great stuff that it has. So I enjoy it, and it's been a great robot vacuum. So that's all I got in this video. If you have any questions or comments, of course, please go down in the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. And I'll see you guys next time.